Hello, my name is Sharon from Albert Aman. Today, standing proudly, larger than life itself, is this magnificent 5-bedroom home in a serene community in Lekki Phase 1. We're about to take you on our most exclusive listings in Lagos, shall we? Wow. So this living room is the major highlight of this home. The lights were amazingly finished by the architect. The space is so accommodating, and apart from it being a major stunning home, it also offers up a great view of the pool as soon as you walk through the front door, which is going to shock your guests in a good way. So there's something very aesthetic about this home, and this was because it was designed by an elite architect who had the creative freedom to create a stunning and gorgeous looking home. And that's evident as soon as we walk into this fully equipped kitchen to make your culinary experience very adventurous and interesting. So they had a harmonious design in mind when creating this beautiful space. This can serve as a second living room or a mini lounge for you and your family, your guests. And this beautiful light here just complements the entire space of this house. So welcome to the owner's suite. This space is so nice and conducive and very welcoming. I love the lights used. It just gives the room this effect. And my favorite part of this room is the bathroom. I love how it's see-through, nicely finished. The bathtub is so classy and nice. And you have your washing hand basin. And a walk-in shower to ease your stress away. So guess where we are? Okay, let me give you a hint. It's my favorite part of the house. It's the cinema room. You guys know how much I love the cinema room. It's always just comfortable and conducive. I just want you to close your eye and vision yourself with a handful of your favorite people watching your favorite movie. Isn't that amazing? With 270 million naira, you can get this magnificent house. To find out more, contact the number on your screen. For more inquiries on other properties on our listings, please visit our website, follow us on Instagram. Thank you for watching. My name is Sharon from Albert Aman. Until next time.